Over 1 billion hours of video are watched on YouTube every single day. 62% of businesses are using video on YouTube to introduce products and services to their consumers. And 90% of people say that a video helped them make a decision about buying a product or service. Video is huge and it's here to stay. And this is a tool you can use to grow your business or practice. That's what we're going to talk about in this video in 5 minutes or less. All right, welcome back, and let's talk about video. First of all, the biggest thing business owners ask me about when we talk about video is how do you get started? Like, what's a way, aside from me bringing a video crew to your practice or your business and shooting a full set of professional videos for you, but how can you as a business owner just get going? And right off the bat, you can just use a phone to start shooting video. And a good way to decide on what to talk about is, of course, what do your consumers, what do your clients, what do your patients ask you about the most? If you just sit and think about it for a second, they might go, here's the top thing they ask me about, or the top 3 things that I get asked about. And what they will be is problems they're trying to solve. So just take one of them and go, problem, this problem that I get asked about, this problem all the time. It's about how do I do this? How do I take care of this thing with my dog? How do I brush my teeth properly? How do I care about, brushing my kids' teeth? How do I get my house ready to be sold? All these different things. Each business is different. But what is that problem? Introduce the problem. I always get asked about this. Next. So this is what I tell everybody. I tell them that they should do this. And the way you do this is you do this, this, this. You get plants in front of your house and you make your curb appeal beautiful. That's the first step, and da-da-da. You explain the solution to the problem you've introduced. And then finally, step 3 of this basic video solution is you go, what's the last thing I want to do? I want to tell my viewers that I am here to help them. If you're going to do this and you run into any issues, you can call me. You can visit my website. You can go to my Facebook page. And I'm here for you to help you solve that problem and make sure you get the best outcome that you deserve. There you go. So it's a 1, 2, 3 of how to make a basic video about how you can help your consumers, your potential clients, your potential patients. Jump into step 2 of what I want to talk to you about in this video is how we are helping our clients to use video. So you have a video. So now what do you do with it? You put it on your YouTube channel. So you go to YouTube and there's a separate video that I'm going to share with everybody in the coming weeks of how to fully set up your YouTube channel. But get a YouTube channel and put that video on your YouTube channel as your welcome video. Get that done. And you can optimize it on your YouTube channel. You can tag it, you can use certain keywords, make sure you fill in all the information in that sort of introduction section about the video of what you're talking about, and also know how to contact you. All right, next, put the video on the home page or a key landing page of your website so that when people come to visit your website, they immediately get to see you, get to learn about what you do because you tell them. That builds trust and communication with that potential client very quickly. Third, place the video in email blasts to your client list. Send them out information about that product or service with a simple email. Introduce what you're talking about, stick the video, and say, hope this helped. They love to get video and watch a quick video, 2 minutes or less, about how to do something. Very helpful. All right, number 4 is put the video link from YouTube in your email signature. You can see that in my email signature, for example. I link to my YouTube channel, and you can watch a basic introductory video about Walker Kreative right there from my email signature. So any email I send out to a potential client, to anybody I work with, they can see a video about what we do, go to our website, go to our Facebook page, go to our LinkedIn page. So put that link in your email signature. All right, number 5. You can make videos with a software. There are many systems, but one I use is called Soapbox. It's by Wistia. So if you go to wistia.com, Wistia.com, they have a product, a piece of software called Soapbox, and you can actually put it right onto your Google search bar, and you can click on it, and you can record a video directly onto your webcam, just like I'm talking to you here, and then embed it right into your email. So if you're going to send out a personal email to a potential client, potential patient, someone you want to do business with, then you can put that video directly from the Soapbox software into your email. You can see here things I've shared, a couple emails I've done with that tool, and it really comes across well. They want to click it. They want to click, they want to watch what I have to tell them because they know it's personal to them. All right, number 6 is LinkedIn. You can put your video, and LinkedIn as well. You can do it on Facebook, Facebook, LinkedIn mainly. These are the two social profiles where you can take a video file and you can actually upload it to LinkedIn, upload it to Facebook, which they call uploading natively to these platforms, and then your video can run from your Facebook page or from your LinkedIn page to your audience, and you can share it that way. All right, and finally, the last example I want to share is if you're going to go to a trade show, this is a no-brainer. Have a screen there and play your video at your trade show. In trade shows, you got to get attention. It's really a PR event when you're there with a table at a trade show, whether it's a local city kind of trade show or you're flying out and going to a trade show. Show off what you do, your great products with a video, big screen as big as you can get, and use that to get attention to you at that trade show. I hope you guys have a great weekend and a great productive week.